Should you do affiliate marketing and network marketing together? Is it okay to have both of those different hats, so to speak, that you wear? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's episode. And what I'm going to tell you is a lot of it depends on where you are in your business. If you're in network marketing and you're doing it consistently, then yeah, sometimes it's okay to add on that additional income stream. But if you're not doing it consistently and you're kind of like a hit or miss, you're showing up, sometimes you're not showing up, other times I would say don't add more to your plate. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and build their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, there's a big difference between affiliate and network marketing. You know, I'm going to be honest, I've been in network marketing for 7 years. I've had massive success in the industry, but I do understand that it does have a bad rap, right? There's a lot of negative connotation with network marketing, and I can be one that says I was that same way. I totally thought it was a pyramid scheme. I thought it was something that most people didn't do when they're professionals like myself. I'm a licensed professional counselor, right? And so I was like, this is a pyramid scheme. I don't do that. And so what I obviously found was wrong, but you know, network marketing and affiliate marketing are very similar, but yet they can be very different. And so should you add on, if you're in network marketing like I am, should you add on an affiliate side? And otherwise, if you're into affiliate marketing, should you look at network marketing as an additional income stream? And I'm going to talk about some of the benefits and maybe some of the things that are some of the negatives with branding and building two separate businesses online. All right. Some of the benefits that I have found when I've done affiliate marketing, and I've dabbled into affiliate marketing for a while right now, is that it is an amazing additional income stream. And if you align yourself with a company that builds with your network marketing company, they kind of have this synergy. They kind of go hand in hand. And so it offers you that opportunity to kind of dual your income stream, right? So I've got my income stream from my network marketing company, but then I've got an income stream from my affiliate company. But my affiliate company really helps network marketers at the same time. It helps them build their business online and teaches them how to use online strategies. So there's that synergy there because I do build my network marketing business 100% online. And so when you've aligned yourself with the right company, it can really be a very good opportunity to dial into both of these income streams for you. Now, another benefit is that it helps you connect with more people. So for me, when I started building my affiliate marketing business, I started to meet new people and I started to actually build those trust relationships that happen when somebody joins your network marketing team, right? So a lot of the people that I've met through the affiliate side of my business have now become business builders with me over in my network marketing company, and vice versa. You know, there's a lot of people in network marketing that just do not like building a team. They really just like building, sales. And so affiliate marketing, you don't have a team. And so it gives them the opportunity to make, an additional income stream without having to be that leader that they might not necessarily want to be, or, that they struggle to be, or that recruiting piece that gets so hard for some network marketers. So there's a lot of benefits that can happen when you are combining your affiliate and your network marketing business. And you know what? It's a great place for those of us, like I said, who really just want to take their business to the next level, right? So you're in network marketing, you've had success, you're building consistently, you're ready to bring in an additional income stream. And let me tell you, affiliate marketing can be an amazing income stream. Now, there's different ways to do affiliate marketing. There's separate courses that you can become an affiliate for, which is kind of what I have. It's like a learning platform that I've become an affiliate for, and it teaches you how to build your business online through social media, through automation, through sales funnels, but the sales funnels are kind of all done for you. It's a cut and paste cookie cutter. You plug them into the system. It doesn't take a lot of work, so it's really not taking me away from my network marketing company. It's just really enhancing it. And hey, if you're interested in learning more about the affiliate program that I am associated with, I'm going to put a link in the description for you so that you guys can check it out if you're at that network marketing stage that we've talked about, where you're ready to take your business business to the next level, or hey, maybe you're finding that network marketing really isn't for you and you want to, generate an online income, but you don't want to build a team. Well, then maybe affiliates for you. So make sure you check in the description. I've got the link for you. Now, there are some negatives that can happen with your affiliate marketing company. When I was affiliated with a previous affiliate company that was geared towards network marketers, it really pulled me away from my network marketing company. It became a distraction, if I'm being honest. So you want to make sure that you are not being pulled away from something that you enjoy doing, which for me is network marketing, right? And so what happened was it required a lot of time, a lot of effort, and there's only so many hours in the day. So you want to make sure that your affiliate or your network marketing company, vice versa. Network marketing takes a lot of work. So if you're really good at affiliate and that's where your passion is, you want to make sure that you're not, pulling that passion away into network marketing. So you just really have to make sure that it's the right timing for you and that you're not getting easily distracted, or you're not getting, let's be honest, where we get shiny object syndrome, where you hear all these people that are making massive amounts of money, so you go and head over on that way. You really want to make sure that it's aligned with everything that you think and you believe in. And then the second thing is that, sometimes our audience gets confused. So if we're selling multiple things, I don't recommend being in multiple network marketing companies, because who are you then? Nobody knows what they can buy from you. The same thing can hold true when you're looking at an affiliate program as an additional income stream, right? So if you start promoting 5 or 6 different things, everybody's like, wait, whoa, hold up. Who is this person and what does she stand for? And that's what you don't want to have happen. You don't want to have confusion with your audience, right? And they're going to be like, well, who is this person? This person's bouncing from right to left and she's always looking for the next opportunity. You don't want that, right? So for me, my word, my integrity is my everything. And so when I align myself with something, I need to make sure that it's something that I'm passionate about, it's something that I believe in, and it's something that I know others can have success in, because it's my word, it's my brand. And so you want to have that same thought process when you're out there and you're looking for other opportunities as well, because that's the like, know, and trust factor. That's the reason that I've had the success that I've had, is because of my integrity, because of my name, because of my brand, and I don't just go and promote things just to go and promote them. So hey, like I said before, if you're looking for either a network marketing opportunity or you're looking for an affiliate opportunity, make sure you connect with me. I'm going to put you a link to my Facebook fan page. You can connect with me over there as well. Send me a message. Let's have a chat. I would love to learn more about you and my audience over here on YouTube that I don't get to see as often. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you send me a friend request over on Facebook. Make sure you check out the affiliate link. And if you're interested in the network marketing company that I'm in as well, that's also a great place for you to connect with me, is over on Facebook. All right. So this is an episode of Julie Reynolds TV. We'll see you next week. Have a good one. Bye.